How to create a WhatsApp community in the easiest and most simplest way. So, if you want to go ahead and create a WhatsApp community for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're going to click on the plus icon in the top right section. So, we're going to click on that. And here it's going to give you new community. Okay. So, what you're going to do is you're going to click on new community and click on get started. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to give the community any type of name. Like, let's say I'm going to call it first com, okay? And we're going to click on create community. Now, once you click on create community, it's going to make this community right here where you can start adding people, okay? You can either add existing contacts or add existing groups into this section, and that is how your community will start working. And then your community has these general chats, announcement chats, so you can manage it however you want. And that is pretty much all there is for this video. So thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.